Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Katrina Brown, and today I'm going to do a article summary review on assessing habitat connectivity for ground-dwelling animals in an urban environment. And this assessment is for my environmental sustainability class. The focus of this paper or this report is to show improvement and understanding of the effect of the groundhogs that's in this experiment, improve understanding of the landscape connectivity, identify important habitat connectivity, and analyze the appropriate parameterizations. So assessing habitat connectivity for ground-dwelling animals in an urban environment, the study used groundhogs, or actually a number of groundhogs, and they put GPS monitors on groundhogs and let them loose in a city environment to show whether the quality of life is better in an urban environment or an environment with more space. So the urban environment had limited access to certain things, whereas an environment, more suburb or environment with more space, the groundhogs had more land and places to run freely. So the abstract or the main focus is to ensure viable species populations in fragmented landscapes. Individuals must be able to move between suitable habitat patches despite the increased interest in biodiversity assessment in urban environments. The ecological relevance of habitat connectivity in highly fragmented landscapes remains largely unknown. The first step to understanding the role of habitat connectivity in urban ecology is the challenging task of assessing connectivity in the complex patchwork of contrasting habitats that is found in the cities. So assessing habitat connectivity for ground-dwelling animals in urban environment. Again, we have the city and the groundhogs were monitored or tracked in the city. Some important identity or habitat connection pathways and barriers were found. Some steps in the database framework is identification of habitat preference based on empirical habitat use data, deviation of habitat resistance, surface evaluating various transformation functions, modeling of different connectivity maps with electrical circuit theory, and identification of the best connectivity map with information. The results showed a reduced gene flow as a result of habitat fragmentation can lead in the long term to loss of genetic diversity and thus to decreased fitness, reduce adaptability to environmental changes, or even extinction of the populations which have survived. Species that have survived urban development in situations of their habitat, while species that newly colonized urban areas can be restricted through barriers from spreading and colonizing further sites within a city.